Hello and welcome to another vlog. It's me, Angelo Caruana, today because Pierre and Paka didn't make it, unfortunately. Today we're at Gharghur, and behind us there are these shrines which will be the beginning of our adventure. Today we will go and reach top of the earth, and there's a cave which is called Għar San Brinkat. So stay with us. It will be a short adventure but interesting one to do together. These replicas were built recently. There are the dates like 1996, the statue 1993, but they are very nice, huh? They have a lot of pebble rocks. Have a look. And recently there were some problems with the planning authority, but seems it was sorted. And these structures were remained here. And we will start from here along this way to reach top of the earth. On the other side there's this beautiful valley. Look how nice. Today we're not in the wild, we're in the main road, accessing this area. I think it's only from here, and there's another road from the other part. And this is the Ghargħur Valley, which there are part of the Victoria lines as well, over there. Have a look. Recently there was a problem with the planning authority with these structures, because they were built illegally, but seems they gave permission to stay here. Have a look. This one is broken. There's the cross. Coming this way there are two roads, which is one on the left and one on the right. We will take the one on the right to reach top of the earth, and then the other area to reach Għar San Brinkat. Have a look here. It's like a small pond. There are some goldfish as well. Look, how nice. There's another small pond here. It's a beautiful area. There's a small garden. Normally I come here with my bicycle to have a ride, but never came walking around this area. But it's beautiful even with your family. Amazing views from here, apart from the buildings obviously, but have a look. I don't know the origin of the name of top of the earth. It's not top of the earth for sure, but maybe someone who can give us more information from where this title was given to this area. There's these cats having some sunbathing. We will continue to reach the area which we know it as top of the earth. This is part of the Victoria lines. Have a look. Which will cross over there as well. It's full of history as well, this area. It's 7:30 and it's already hot. We're nearly in summer, not officially, but we're in summer because the temperature is already over I think 20 degrees. And a special thanks to the friends of the Victoria Lines, who are a group of people who are trying to make awareness about these. Even there's a trail you can do across these lines. And here it's like a belvedere to have a look. Wow, it's amazing, eh? I will show you the views from up here. And there's a road there which, as far as I know, there's Għar San Brinkat, the San Brinkat Cave, which we will visit later on. Some information on these walls. These were built by the British way back in 1897. It was like a defensive wall for any attacks from the north, but as far as I know, these were not used. So it's a heritage for Malta which we need to preserve. And as I told you, there's a trail which one can do along these walls. They are being restored, as you can see. We are reaching another area which is different. One can go at the top of the earth. And also seems there's like a battery over here. Look at the beautiful views, huh? Apart from the buildings. It's amazing. There's this sign for the Victoria Lines trail, which we will go a bit down here to have a look at this battery. Have a look. It's part of the Victoria Lines, huh? A lot of litter, unfortunately. There's like a gap here. These were guard rooms, so the soldiers could be here guarding our island. From here as well. We will continue a bit to the other part and then back, so we will reach Għar San Brinkat, the valley over here, and there's the continuation of the Victoria Lines crossing the valley as well. We will turn back to the main road because we are trying to reach Għar San Brinkat. So let's go and have a look on the other area. There is another room here, which we'll have a look. There's this window. We took this downhill to reach Għar San Brinkat, but unfortunately I met some locals and they told me that there were some rock falling and it was blocked with a fence, but we will have a look and see what we can see from outside the fence. There's another small cave here, which we'll have a look. There's a shrine as well in it. And look at the beautiful views from up here. Look how nice. There are these signs, these notices to protect the San Brinkat Cave. And we will have to take the stairs. So we have San Brinkat over there, the cave, the bigger one. And we have a smaller one here, which we'll explore first. This one seems to be smaller, but seems to be very interesting. The shrine over here. There's this like a small, it's full of water, huh? This fig tree seems quite interesting, this area. Wow, have a look, this cave. We will go slowly here and have a look at this cave. Huh? A lot of lice. There's this hole over here. I don't know if it's natural or it was manually dug. It's small but interesting. As I always tell you, every cave has its own features. It's not high, it's about, this part it's about 3 meters. I think this is all burned up. Huh? Unfortunately, many people do barbecues in such places and we condemn such things. And this part is quite high then. It's about 10 meters or something like that. We will go and see the Għar San Brinkat. As I told you, it's blocked with the fence, and what we can see from behind the fence, I can show it to you, because due to safety reasons it was blocked. And from here we will reach the other cave, which is Għar San Brinkat. Have a look how big it is. As far as I know, they used to do climbing as well over here. There's the fence, so we cannot enter, even for our safety. It's quite interesting. There's this natural pillar over here. And there's another area here. we came to the end of another vlog from here, from the village of Gharghur. We went to the top of the world, along part of the Victoria Lines, and we visited two caves. One which is a small one, which I don't know if it has a name, and the Għar San Brinkat, which unfortunately it was part blocked with defense due to safety reasons. Hope you enjoyed our adventure today. Thank you for subscribing on our channel, it will help us a lot, even your likes and comments. Until the next one, bye bye.